Rangadó treis búdra crete armanach an tatan scata an airót leis an lú an áit Rangadó chin tú. nó an gurach Kildare deirlin na Sraith chailúntí. Bhí maith dara donacha agus common gagans ag airlacht an ceann seo.
That's going to Joshua Johnny's Varnish and shots are goal better. Tuck hole score at Brian Burns. She's watching Feely. On the Filior the order arrive to skip agus at score and Sydney's far Daniel Flinner Dara. Can more meet of or the Aaron Masterson. Agus can create the Aaron Masterson. And shot that on towards Genta and Trin Niall MacDonald. Ryan Burns for the goal. Scoring against Ryan Burns. More meets of Fada. Agus will call in a foot set on trio can Aaron Masterson. Kick up to Order Connor of Idir Witchy Green. Toshy Green has Sraith. Catch and kick on. Score against Kate got a Kieran Downey. Agus Staldus, Reynado, Zebnehe, Conda Louis and Shaw.
Yeah, it was a really, really difficult evening. We knew, win the side, we knew what Kildare were going to bring to the table tonight. They unfortunately had a difficult league campaign, but they're going to try to get themselves right for a championship, and we knew that this was going to be a springboard for them. So it was a really, really difficult game in general.
Main objective this year was to make sure we stayed in Division 2. We obviously know the repercussions of going down for the championship, but for next year it was massively important that we are competing in Division 2 again next year.